Yo, 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 it's your boy, it's your nigga, it's your prince, it's your guy. The name is the real Embo Prince, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm back again with another fire reaction, you know what I'm saying? I'm back again with another lit reaction, you know what I'm saying? Today we're gonna be reacting to Umlilo by Dr. Man Vibes, you know what I'm saying? And yeah. I heard Uti Lengomale is lit. Super lit, and video con is even worse, you know what I'm saying? Because we are now to produce music videos like our music videos are perfection. We perfect things like that. So yeah, without wasting much more of your time. But before we get into the video, I would like to remind you guys to pause the video, go and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what I'm saying, so that we can, catch all my content and all the stuff. So yeah, without wasting much more of your time, you know what I'm saying, let's get into this freaking video. let's go.
It's legendary.
Yeah, lonely luzunga woti Yakuzu ang logo. Yeah, lonely luzunga woti Yakuzu ang logo. Yeah, lonely luzunga woti. Whoa.
As I told you guys, the video is lit. I'm going to show 30 seconds video. It's like 29 seconds, but I already see the video. It's lit. Yeah, that is why I love being here. Mzansi, you know what I'm saying, catching this vibe, I feel like this is a vibing song, a summer song, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, let's continue with the video.
Whoa, whoa, lonely luzunga whoa, yeah. Kiku traffic, bankadas, bankokot, presipatin, fani fastela. Bugi trip yamda, ifana numbula mailenda kutayela.
You know what that means, right? You know what that means. If I never milenda tayela. Drip, the nigga dripping. That nigga dripping, bro. Man, this is why I'm a fan of Black Diamond, you know what I'm saying? They be rapping so nice in this Zulu, bro. It's like it's amazing, Muffet. It's amazing.
Yeah. Mangifike ntombini ngiphinyelike njengamafayela.
Okay.
Mina ngilende ngaphakathi wena ngidosla nje bathi lesibethu sithathapi alabafana eParis after lockdown mangiperforma irajisa nomatheni ngoba mangiqeda ukuperforma kongamuko freni ingoma zethu ziyalandelana kuma chart njengamakino bangibuza ukuthi yini iphethe besanja ngathi mina hip hop sonke insuku ngiyoxoxa njalo mina ngiyosakala macilo dlala nami ngiyobela ukade ngoba wena uzozwa ngeshiwo.
I don't wanna lie. I don't know who this nigga is, but judging from his appearance, I'd say voice yakhe imfanele bafethu. I don't know what him yet right now bona lokho, but ocabanga lokho because vele sabantu, we are different beings, we've got different opinions, but as for me, voice yakhe nah, ayimfanele. Never mind, let's go. Facts. Ambitious is doing the most these days. But like Ambitious in Fetu, isignile like over the years, like the past 3-4 years, it has signed many new artists and Beza with fire music bafethu. Like Ambitious is doing the most these days, and Funkamang, they're doing the most. Let's go. Come on. With that Pop Smoke dance, with that Pop Smoke bang, you know what I'm saying? Did you see my nigga doing R.I.P. Pop Smoke, bruh? May your soul rest in peace, but hey, you left a legacy. The nigga left a legacy, but first time from out. And in just 20 years old. 21 years old, yeah. Let's go.
Yeah. Sense of flex on my biceps. Run a game with tricep. Is up to you, I'm feeling like a location is private. Me not doing no bicep. Pull up manje chatting. Tell the play pass win tighter. If you want this, I got the high fame. Play one star. In one, it puts a plan. Coach, il a fun. So, pet, cancel a lot. In one, everything I'm so gonna start. Show me some peppy canch. Yeah. Fuga ba pants. Yeah. Kosam tezenela. Haba ban pazotela. Fuga ba bula umon. Minam zopetela. Yabantela ba kepis.
I like the drip. Niggas wearing some nice clothes, but for something among check the drip. Stylish as fuck. Let's get back to the video. I like the vibes of the video too. Like, you know what I'm saying? Many beautiful females, you know what I'm saying? We like those. We know we love those. Let's get back to the video.
Game moments, ungane bayang namatela, sele emoji benches. Sishaya uqotoza mfana pekwe beat ngadela orkan. Wawugcina nini ushuno tumudlala kujeve ngishisa likazi. Diwisa okilo nelpetu juice no name night. Drip yami nomhlakathi kandlompa nogeza ngani.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm Zulu. I know I'm Zulu, I'm proud of being Zulu, but I don't know ukuthi umhlakazo, you know what the fuck is umhlakazo? Maybe it's another language, but I don't know.
Manje ngathi kunesurplus isoko elikhaja ngebeat likhahle ngehook kade same time ngifike entombini kuvele kube manje ngathi ukatazi ababizi holadi ngoba sobulala kwasani yes ngihamba ngoqimendela ngikheleza intomba ngishare ngekhemesa mina ngi-own itenant CEO oyimanager wallet wami izilele Yakuzu anglo, yeah. Don't need no sugar, Yakuzu anglo, yeah. Don't need no sugar, Don't need no sugar, Look at my dreams, look at my keys, bringing them pills, they shit chill, I ain't get
Well, that's it for the video of it. So I think we've come to the end of the video, but my review or my feedback on this video, on this banger video, is that it's lit. You already know it's a pass. It's a pass for me, you know what I'm saying? I approve this kind of music. I was vibing to the song. You saw me. You saw your boy vibing to the song, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure you're also vibing as you're watching the video. Yeah. I love this song. I like it. I really much like it. It's gonna be on my playlist too. Yeah. looks like playlist yami iyanda and more and more. Yeah. And still asikakoqali, bro. Like asakaqali senze a few videos sisazoqhubeka, bro. This is nothing compared to what we're gonna do, to what we're gonna accomplish. We're on that road to 100 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? We're on the road to 100 subscribers. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please press that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, leave a like, leave a comment, recommend what you want me to react to next, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think we've come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. I respect you. Peace.